Okay, so let's get into configuring data access and usage. Servers that we're going to need and clients that we're going to need are going to be LON-DC1, clients LON-CL1, and LON-CL4. Purpose of this lab is to manage NTFS and share permissions, configure libraries, configure and manage printers, create and manage home groups, and we're not going to be using OneDrive to manage files or folders. Exercise 8.1, managing NTFS share permissions. Log in to LON-DC1 as a datum administrator with the password on LON-DC1 using Server Manager tools, Active Directory, users and computers. We're going to create a new user object. So we're going to go under users, new user, and this gentleman's name will be Todd Williams. And user logon name is going to be T. Williams. That's more like it. Next. And we're going to make password never expires. Give it a lame password. And if user must change password next login, we wouldn't be able to select that. So that's why I deselected that. And here's Todd. Okay, now if that's done, we'll click that out of the way, and we have to go to CL4. Sorry, CL1. Okay, so we're already logged in as the administrator, and we're going to go to the File Explorer, and under C, create a new folder, and we're going to call it Data. Now we're going to right click on data, we're going to go to properties, we're going to go to the sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder. So the share name is going to wind up being data by default. And we'll go into permissions. Everyone full control. Click OK. And now we're going to go to the NTFS permissions. Now, which permissions do authenticated users have? So, they have modify, read, execute, list, read, write. No special permissions, and they do not have full control. Now we can click on the advanced. And we go to the effective access. So we're going to select the user. Advanced. There's Todd. So he doesn't have full control, and he has all the NTFS permissions. Now on to configuring libraries. Click on View. And we're going to go Show Libraries. Navigation pane. View, navigation pane, show libraries. So here are our libraries. And click libraries. Expand libraries. And create a new library. And we're going to call this one My Library. Go to My Library, include a folder, wants us to include the desktop, and include the folder. And there we go. Next step, printers. And from here, go back to here on LON-CO1. Sorry. So many VMs. Okay, so on our client, go here, control panel, devices, printers and scanners. We're going to add one. Okay, so let's see if T. Williams has the ability to do it. Control panel, devices, scanners. Okay, so we're going to wind up adding in an HP. All right, well, first one. There you go. And that's the printer name. Go next. And no comment, no location. And finish. Properties. Go to the sharing tab. Share this printer, and we're going to go listen directory. Click on the ports. And LPT1 is assigned. Click on the security tab. And let's see what administrators have. And print, manage documents. And we'll click on everyone. And we'll give them manage documents. And click OK. Okay, so on CL4, we're logged in as a ADEM administrator. And on LON-DC1, sorry, LON-CL1, here's our shared printer. And right click, go connect. And we now have a printer. Okay, so next exercise is to create a home group. Here's where the lab kind of falls apart. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go into Control Panel. And network internet, home group, yay! Oh. To join a home group, your computer's network must be set to private. Because this computer also belongs to a domain, you can't create your own home group, but you can join one created by someone on your network. What we have to do is we're going to have to take this out of the domain in order to do this. And wait for it to do its thing. Welcome to W Workgroup. Okay, so I don't want to actually do this quite yet. The reason being is I'm going to have an account to log into when I get out of the domain. So I'll go manage. Alright, under local users and groups, users, admin, let's set a password. Use a default password. It's been set. And we'll note that there are no little down arrows on the admin here like there are on the other accounts, so admin will be able to log in once the system reboots. And restart. Okay, taken out of the domain, change the switch. Let's see if this works. Go here, home group, create a home group. Next. And here's a password. And libraries and devices, you're sharing from this computer by default: pictures, music, videos, printers, and devices. And that's it for the lab.